Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. These are the vent visors we're going to be using, the Avs auto vent shades. This is the part number right here. I'm guessing they're fitting 12 to 19 Ford Focuses. We're going to be putting them on this 2018 Focus. So we're going to be putting these on this today. Hopefully they fit good and look nice. It's kind of what I'm going for. So they do give you these nice instructions on how to install it, which is really nice. At least they give you a step-by-step diagram. They do give you applicator pads with alcohol for 4 of them for each door, which is really nice. They also, here's the packaging they were in. Each one of them was individually wrapped. So the quality of them looks really, really nice. Hopefully the fitment's just as good, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on this passenger side. We're gonna go ahead and wipe all this down with alcohol all the way here. So we're gonna use one of the 4 pads. We're also gonna roll the window down because it has to slide in right here. So we're gonna roll the windows down on all of them, clean this really good, and then get ready to install the actual vent visor itself. Yeah, here's the applicator pad outside of it. Thank God they give you these, because trying to get rubbing alcohol right now is almost virtually impossible. We still can't even get it here because of the virus. So cleaning this whole entire part here with the rubbing alcohol. Oops. Might even just go ahead and do the back one with this one because there's a whole lot left on here. That way I'm not wasting them. Got a bunch of dirt right there. So we're gonna clean all this really good. It's basically the most important part is the preparation. You can do everything right, but if you don't clean these good enough and you don't prep them good enough, they'll fall off. All right, we cleaned this side. We're gonna go ahead and do the driver's side as well. So to show you guys, you wanna go in between this gasket part right here. So there's a gasket right here, and you wanna go right in between there. So it has to go behind the mirror, but in front of the gasket, and then push up like that. You do not wanna get it behind the gasket or it will hit the window. What we're gonna do now is take off this backing, and then we're gonna take our heat gun and we're gonna heat up that tape, because you definitely wanna heat up the tape, especially like today, it's 45 degrees. You definitely want the tape to be heated up. If the tape isn't heated up, sometimes it'll not stick as well, and you definitely want it to stick as good as you can get it to stick. So we're gonna take this tape off and then we're gonna heat it up. Sometimes tape backing's a pain in the butt to get off. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. Supposedly this is 3M, but it doesn't say 3M on it, so it kind of scares me a little bit, because a lot of these companies claim it's 3M, but 3M is definitely the best tape. So if this stuff doesn't hold up, I'm taking it off and I'm gonna do 3M, because I'm not gonna risk driving down 60 miles an hour and these things flying off down the interstate, which is probably what will happen if this tape is not very good. So take our heat gun, dude. What the f? Now we're gonna heat up our tape since my electrical in this shop seems to not want to ever work. So everything's gonna be heated up in the tape. We definitely want to heat it up, not a whole lot, just at least heat it up to where you can almost sometimes with the 3M tape smell it when you're heating it up, but you definitely want to heat it up, and I can smell it right now. Okay. Now we're gonna apply it onto the vehicle. Definitely want to put even pressure all the way around so this thing sticks really good. You do not want these to fly off. Okay. Here's what it looks like installed. The fitment on it is really good. Hopefully it'll hold up and not fly off, but looks really, really nice. Here's the back installed. The fitment on them is really nice. There's the front. I gotta say, they do look really good. A lot of people complain about this, but I think it looks really good, honestly. Here's the driver's side. Looks really good. Fitment's really good. I did cut back a little bit of the tape on a couple of them because it was kind of showing a little bit, but you know, I'm just being picky. But other than that, I think they look really nice, especially for the price. I mean, you can't beat them by far. I'm gonna roll up the windows, make sure they all clear, but as far as it goes, they look really good.